everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. I hope everyone had a great trading day today. The markets were down, so the Dow was down. Let's go over that. Dow was down 137 points today. Nasdaq was down. S&P was down, and the Russell was down. So across the board, markets were down. Bitcoin right now is currently up. All right. Nothing has changed though, guys. So nothing has changed on the as far as the indexes. All right, so we still have buy signals. All right, so on the NASDAQ, all right, still holding its buy signal. Buy signal here, still holding. All right, that's on the NASDAQ. Same on the Dow. All right, so even with the selling we had today, all right, indexes are still holding. Here's the Dow, still holding. The S&P right here, S&P still holding. All right, we do have purple support and resistance there. Okay, all right, and also the Russell. Now the Russell, we did finally get a buy signal in the Russell last week. All right, but we have a white candle here. So white candle came in. We'll go ahead and put resistance here. All right, resistance right here on the Russell. All right, so white candle here, we need to get back right above resistance here on the Russell to see that index start moving again. All right, so a bit of some selling, but not a major concern yet. All right, the VIX volatility index is at 1440, so that's low. We can't ask for anything lower than that. All right. As far as the sectors are still holding. Let's take a quick look at the sectors here. We know big picture it should be still intact. All right. Number one sector right now is financials. All right. All right. So financials, number one sector. So that's your banks. All right, so buy signal here all the way up here, guys. Look at that move in financials. All right, materials. All right, second most trending sector. All right, industrials. Look at industrials, guys. All right, that's the second buy signal. First buy signal was all the way down here, and now we've got a second buy signal. All right, so nice price action. Gold is making a move higher. All right, so gold's making a move higher. We do have new support and resistance lines for gold. All right, so just keep that in mind. All right, nice breakout here in gold. Energy, all right, also moving higher. All right, nice markdown phase, markup phase there. All right, so that looks good. Energy. And let's see here. ComServe, so communication services, buy signal here, guys. Look at that. Just a great move here in communication services. Okay, so overall, all the sectors are doing fine. Telecom still lagging behind. All right, so let's take a quick look at that. So telecom is all the way down here. All right, so if you guys see here, right, telecom is moving lower. All right, so those stocks should be moving lower. All right, Forex. We're gonna spend some time on Forex this evening. All right, in particular, Monster Scalper. We're starting to see some pullback in volatility. All right, on the daily time frame, you guys can see here. Now we're still about, I would say, might be 50. All right, 50-50 here. On the daily time frame, on the 240, same thing. All right, on the 60-minute, we've got more movement here. We've got more volatility there. All right, so we'll go over those trades in a second here. All right. Bitcoin still holding. All right. So this one was second buy signal with Bitcoin. First buy signal was right here, right at 28,000 and change. All right. Sell signal was at 40,000. Next buy signal came in right here at 49,000. And here we are at 71,000. So great move in Bitcoin. Daily time frame here. And we did break out, right? Broke out right here on the weekly time frame. As you guys know, all-time highs. All right. All-time highs in Bitcoin. All right. So let's take a look at current positions. All right. Current positions in Monster Scalper. All right. We'll start with long positions. Now remember, this is on the 240-minute time frame. Okay. All right. Aussie New Zealand, AUD, NZD, buy signal here. All right. Holding. All right. Still holding. A bit of a pullback right here. All green candles. See right here. The green candles coming in. So hopefully we get another move like here, here, here we are. Need price to move higher, break through that resistance right there. All right. So Aussie New Zealand holding. Aussie CAD holding. Hey, Tyler, welcome. All right. Aussie CAD actually sold, guys. So Aussie CAD gave a sell signal. All right. So buy signal was right here on the break of resistance right here. Broke support right here. Price broke support, right? Sell signal. So white arrow here, right? The white triangle, that's our sell signal. Blue arrow here, blue triangle here, buy signal. So close the trade, please. All right. So Aussie CAD, that trade is over. All right. Buy signal here, sell signal here, close the trade. Hey, Stella, welcome. Stella, welcome. All right. So that's Aussie CAD. Close the trade, please. So Aussie New Zealand is holding firm. Aussie CAD. All right, close that trade, please. Okay. Aussie dollar, close that trade also. All right, buy signal was here. All right, broke resistance, broke support, purple support and resistance. Big red candle came in today. Nothing we can do about that, guys. Sell signal here, close the trade. And if you look here, this is the area right here. Sellers, right? A lot of consolidation in here. Guess what? Right? That failed. If we broke above that resistance right there, then we could keep on going. All right, with a target up here. But guess what? It failed. So now we're back within consolidation. Okay, so close the trade. Nothing we can do about that. All right. Red candles, broke support, close the trade. That's Aussie dollar. Okay. All right, so we've seen a shift in the dollar. We'll take a look at the dollar index in a minute. I think it made a bounce today. Okay, euro dollar. All right, euro dollar also close. So you guys see what's going on. All right, and we'll go through monster scalper this evening also. All right, so euro dollar. So those are your inverse dollar pairs. Okay, inverse dollar pairs. Buy signal here. Buy signal was here. All right. Big red candle came in today. All right. On the 240 sell signal right here. So we should be out of that trade. Hey, Solomon, welcome. So buy signal here, sell signal, euro, dollar, close that trade, please. Okay. So the only long position right now, all right, is Aussie New Zealand. We will take a look at equities just to make sure with the down day, um, uh, stocks are holding. Okay, so the only long right now we're holding is Aussie New Zealand. Okay, let's go through the shorts. Now we didn't take a look at these yesterday at the market yesterday. So let's see how these yen pairs are doing. Um, we'll wait till Sunday to look for new opportunities. All right. Sometimes not doesn't happen all the time, but a lot of times on Thursdays we'll get reversals in the markets on Thursdays and sometimes on Fridays too. So we'll wait on Sunday to look Sunday, Monday for new positions. All right, short positions in Monster Scalper. The yen pairs, you guys know we were shorting the yen pairs. All right, so euro, yen, that close sell short signal was here. All right, green candle, so we should be out. Okay, hopefully you guys are, those of you shorting the yen pairs, hopefully you were on those trades. All right, took profits. Okay, so euro, yen, close that trade, please. Buy to cover and green candles. All right, so we should be totally out of that short trade. All right, euro, yen. Hong Kong, HKD, JPY, that trade also closed. Sell short signal. I think we got it right about here. All right about here. Buy to cover, buy to cover, sell short signal right here. Like I said, entry was about right here because this failed here, right? Broke resistance right here. Green candle, broke resistance, buy to cover signal, your white arrow here. So should be totally out of that trade. Okay. And got close to the first target here. All right. Now, those of you who've been with us for a while, you guys know if you want to, all right, you can always go to a smaller time frame to look for exits. Okay. All right. So HKD, JPY. All right, you shouldn't be waiting on these green candles and sales buy to cover signals if you're trading with us. Okay, HKD JPY. All right, dollar USD JPY also closed. All right, sell short signal was here. Entry I think was right about here. All right, buy to cover, broke resistance. All right, broke resistance, buy to cover signal right here, your white arrow, right? Eyes are coming in. We'll look to see next week, all right? Sunday, Monday, if we start getting some buy signals to go long in the yen pairs, okay? Swiss yen, all right, Swiss yen is still holding, all right? So sell short signal is here, right? Broke support. Green candle here. Let's close that trade. All right. So green candle here. Let's follow the process. Close the trade, please. I know red candles are coming in here. All right. But we didn't pay attention to this yesterday. So close that trade. Okay. Swiss yen, close the trade. Pound yen. Pound yen. All right, sell short signal is here. All right, green candle, buy to cover, close that trade also. All right, so you guys see what's happening. These yen shorts are closing. SGD JPY, all right, sell short signal is here. All right, green candle here. All right, close that trade. All right, this one here that can break resistance all of a sudden, and all of a sudden buyers are coming in. All right, so that's close that trade. Okay, get squeezed. All right, SGD JPY. Okay, Aussie yen, same thing. All right, horrible chart here. All right, sell short signal here, buy to cover all the way over here. All right, so if anyone is in this, we should be totally out of that. All right, by now, totally out. Aussie yen, New Zealand yen. All right, New Zealand yen also closed. All right, sell short signal is here. All right, broke resistance. Resistance is right here. Broke resistance. Buy to cover signal right here. All right, so we should be out of that trade here. That's New Zealand yen. So we know what we see what's going on. All right, those yen pairs are closing. Okay. New Zealand yen. CAD yen. All right, CAD yen. Sell short signal is here. This one reached its target all the way here. A bit of a pullback right here. Green candles. Close that trade also. That's done. Okay, that's done. So CAD yen. That's it. And we should see the same with the dollar pairs. Okay. So CAD yen. Close that trade, please. A quick look at the dollar index before we go through the dollar pairs. All right, so we've got, I wouldn't call this support, but that's all it takes right here, right? Big move in the dollar, big move in the dollar, guys, today, right here. We had red candles. Now we were hoping for a break of probably support right about here. Get a sell short signal, but right now bouncing. Dollars up right now. Equities are down. All right, so let's take a look at the dollar pairs. All right, so those were short dollar. Right, so we should see these dollar pairs start moving higher. Okay, all right, so almost identical to the yen pairs. Okay, so markets all over the place again. Okay, so dollar, USD, SGD. All right, sell short signal was here. Not a bad short here. All right, very clean. All right, sell short signal was here. Broke resistance. Resistance is right here. All right, buy to cover signal right here. White arrow here. So a decent short there. USD, SGD. Dollar Swiss. Dollar Swiss. All right. Sell short signal. Let me open it up. Sell short signal here. All right. Buy to cover on this green candle here to be out of the trade. So we should be out the dollar Swiss. Dollar Swiss. Now, you guys know dollar and yen pair should be doing the opposite. And now they're running the same. Very strange. USD SEK, all right. USD SEK. Sell short signal here, all right. Buyers came in big right here. Close the trade, all right. Buy to cover signal here to be out, all right. If you were quick, boy, right, you could have gotten out right here. If you waited on that close of the candle all the way up here, okay. So guys, just be careful. I mean, we've had some decent trades here, but the market still, Forex is still funky. All right, USD SEK. All right, USD CZK. All right, sell short signal here. All right, white candles here. Resistance is right here. Now, this is a decent short going here. All right, so here is resistance right here. Here we are. All right, so one big move here, and all of a sudden, all right, this is gonna close. So we would say close it now. All right, so uh, we know what's going on with the dollar here. So USD CZK, close the trade, please. USD NOK, all right, close the trade. Uh, A lot of consolidation on this chart. We were hoping for a break, right? Break past all of this resistance here, support, all of this support here, right about here. So it did break down. Sell short signal was here, all right? And it closed, give a buy to cover signal, right? So sell short right here and closed, give a buy to cover here. All right, so we should be out of that trade. Okay. All right, buyers could come in strong, guys, break through that resistance, give a buy signal, and start moving again. Okay, so be aware of that. All right, so and then USD DKK also closed. So we see what's going on here. All right, sell short signal is here. All right, big big green candle came in. All right, so close that trade right here. Buy to cover signal right here. All right, now, guys, it might not be a bad idea too to um, look at your time frames. Okay, look at your prices on this on your smaller time frames. Okay, so you could anticipate um, these moves. Okay, to help you manage your exits. All right, long positions in Forex dominator. Long positions in Forex dominator. So on the daily time frame. Okay. All right. EUR still holding firm. All right. Buy signal here still holding. All right. Some movement today. I came down all the way to this candle, but closed right here. USD TRY. All right. That's holding, made a nice move up, but pull back. All right. EuroCAD. All right. That's holding. Euro Swiss. It's holding. Need to break through resistance right here. Start testing near-term resistance, but real resistance is right here. Okay. And Euro CZK. All right. That's trade closed. Okay. Not a bad trade here. We were hoping for a break of resistance here, but it closed, and that's a fairly clean trade here. All right, so buy signal here. All right, held it on this pullback right here. Finally closed. All right, so broke support here. Very clean trade, guys. Broke support here. Sell signal. White arrow here, sell signal. Okay, buy signal here, sell signal here. EUR CZK in Forex dominator. Close that trade, please. Pound Swiss. Pound Swiss is still holding. So we got Pound Swiss and Euro Swiss. So there's a move happening in the Swiss, guys. I don't think it's in the Euro or the Pound, but the Swiss pair. So Euro Swiss right here looks good. And then Pound Swiss also look good. All right. So just make a note of that. The Swissy, right? The Swissy might be making a move long. We've got a couple of shorts in the yen pairs in Forex dominator. Okay, let's take a look at those. All right, TRY JPY, TRY JPY. All right, still holding. It's short here. We do need that to come on down, but you guys see what's going on with the yen pairs. We could see buyers come in. All right, so be careful. Now the Forex dominator will hold these trades longer. All right, Swiss yen. All right, Swiss yen sell short signal here, still holding. Okay, we need to break through support. All right, I would say yeah, support right here. All right, so near term support right there. Purple support and resistance still look good, but again, we see what's going on with the yen pairs. All right. All right. Um, uh, Monster futures. We haven't done these in a while. All right. No picks this evening. All right. So crude oil is still holding its buy signal here in Monster futures. Lean hogs. All right. That's holding here. Gold, guys, you guys know what's going on with gold. Gold broke out. Trading at 2165 right now. Nice breakout for gold. All right, but we'll see if gold can stay up here. All right, gold has been in a look at that, very choppy trading. Okay, so I'm I'd be surprised if gold can hold and start trending. This is not a trend, right? It's not trending, right? That's just a breakout. Okay, so nothing to really get excited about yet. All right, for gold. Let's see here. S&P still holding firm, right? S&P right here. Buy signal here. Great trade, the S&P. All right. And live cattle in monster futures still holding here. A bit of a pullback. Resistance is right here. All right. So that's it for um, on monster futures. On Sunday, we'll take a look at heat seeker right here for monster futures. Um, we'll run it on Monday. All right. Let's see. All right. US 30 traders. I have given up on the US 30 guys. Oh my goodness. We were waiting on finally, right? We talked about this on a break, right? Either nice break of support, break of particularly a break of resistance because the overall trend is long. And I called this long this morning. We were looking for a break right here above resistance. I mean, they're really slamming this back. So here is resistance. We got pretty good resistance. And every time, guys, this, I mean, we've had how many signals fail? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When you got one positive trade in the US 30. Stellar's on here. Stellar, you picked a bad time to get on the US 30. But hopefully, don't give up on it. So right now, guys, it's stuck within right here. Here is the bottom here. Here's support. Here is resistance. And right, we said, hey, we want to get on this trade. Let's wait, all right, for it to break resistance here and give a buy signal, and then we'll get on. Look what happened today. Sellers came in heavy, guys. Okay, so I don't know what to say with the US 30. I mean, we're clearly in a nice markup phase, not a big concern on the daily time frame. All right. I mean, we have a purpose support and resistance. It's all the way down here. I mean, we got good price action. All we need to do is break out. Right? Just break out here. All right. But got slammed down. All right. So that's what's causing that. But just we'll now if you're trading on a smaller time frame, I know some of you you might have been quick enough to catch this move up, catch this move down, but you got to be on the smaller time frames, be quick. Okay, but we're just gonna wait and see. All right. I wouldn't be surprised if it comes price action comes all the way back down here to support. All right, but there's something I've been saying, there's something going on with this market. All right, we know it's at all-time highs. Um, Let me take a look at. Hold on. See what the Nas did and the S&P. So the Nas long. All right, so the Nas is also stuck between. This is not a bad trading environment. All right, on the smaller time frame. All right. I mean, still choppy, but you might be able to find some shorts and longs. All right. Even on the look at that. Well, that's on the 60. Let's bring in a 15-minute here. So on a 15-minute, not bad. Yeah, here's a decent short here. Just that's it's what it is. On the S&P right here. Same thing, very choppy, guys. Very, very choppy. Support is down here. All right. So we can see that. All right. So it's not your fault if it's choppy, if you're having a difficult time trading this. It's not, if you're doing everything else right, nothing we're doing wrong. Just just what's going on the 60-minute. Daily time frames still holding. All right, so um, that's it for the US 30. I'm gonna give up on the US 30 for right now until, and you guys know I don't give up on these markets, but I mean, very choppy here. So we've got to clear, really get out of this area. Even if we break out, we probably need to really break out clearly to the upside or downside. Doesn't matter. All right. What would be nice to see, and I know that will hurt the equity markets, hurt stocks, but it would be nice to see this a nice pull. We need a nice pullback. All right. We need some selling to come in. All right. Right now, there isn't much happening. All right. So we need some selling to come in, right? Breakthrough here. And look at all this. If we can get some selling all the way down to even here, support is here. All right. Now that would hurt stocks. And we'll take a look at stocks in a minute. But it's just stuck right here. Okay. Just stuck right here for now. All right. All right. Equities. All right. So stock boss, current stocks, and stock boss and bull master. So let's go through those. We'll start with stock boss. A lot of red. You guys see that red today. All right. All right. So ACDC. Now we're looking for, if we've got a red candle, close the trade. All right. Now we looked at heat seeker last week. We noticed that we were having fewer stocks. I think it was 72 in stock boss, right about that, and 79 in bull master. So it's still a generous amount of stocks, but it's been slowing, right? So ACDC, right? If we've got a red candle, close the trade, please. White candle, pay attention to. Green candle, it's fine. Red candle, close the trade. So ACDC, and we'll go through this quickly. Red candle here, close the trade, please. All right. ACDC, buy signal was here. Red candle, close the trade. Buy signal was right around 8:37. Red candle closed yesterday at 7:23. Close the trade, please. ACDC. Right, ALDX, close the trade, please, in stock boss. ALDX. All right, buy signal was here, right, at 376. Sell signal, red candle. Don't wait on this candle here, your sell signal. Yesterday it gave us red candle here, so we should have been out yesterday. Okay, so close the trade, please. ALDX. ALDX right here. All right, ALLO. We've got a big white candle. I would say keep an eye on it. All right, here's your target here. Buy signal here. All right, keep an eye on it. We need that to recover, that moving average, green candles, buyers to come in. Okay. All right, ANGI, red candle here, guys. All right, so buy signal was here. Break up this resistance. All right, came back down, broke support, red candle here. Even here, you could have gotten out here. ANGI, close the trade. All right, ARQQ, that's holding. All right, ATAI, close the trade, please. Buy signal was here, right, at $1.36. Sell signal came at $1.72. Close the trade. All right. Now this one reaches target and got slammed down, back down. Okay, and look here, right? They love to bring this stock down. Look at that. Here, here, here. All right, so that could go back right to support down here. So close the trade. It's over. Blue, that's holding support right here. All right, so keep an eye on it. White candles there, BLUE. All right. This one is holding. White candle, keep an eye. When those white candles come in, that's an area to keep an eye on, okay? CDXS, all right. We're going to close this one. I know it's a white candle, but if you guys look what's going on here, all right, so we're going to bring this down. All right, here we've got resistance. Right here, previous resistance becomes support. Move that right about here. Now, it's right here, guys. Right here. Here's the buy signal. Here it is holding right here. All right. They can sell this off right here. All right. And look at this. They brought it all the way back down here. It's not holding. It's not holding any type of trend. Not holding the markup phase. So if it breaks here, it could really move. Okay. So close the trade. C DX. All right. DNMR, that's holding. ERAS, same thing here, guys. Okay. Buy signal here. Look at that. Buy signal is here. Right. Broke support here. White candle. All right. But they could sell that off. All right. There's nothing holding this. Okay. Nothing holding this here. All right. So ERAS. And that's holding for now. That's holding, 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 holding. This is holding for now. All right. LESL, LESL. Buy signal was here. Sell signal broke support. Red candle. Close the trade, please. Buy signal was at 578. Closed at 685. Close the trade, please. That's over. I'm curious to see what Heat Seeker did today. Remember, Heat Seeker will let us know, guys, what they're buying. Not only what they're buying, but at what volume, right? MRVI, that's holding. That's holding. Funny chart there. That's holding. Right. NKTX. All right. This one reached its resistance, guys. Look at this. It reached its target. The buy signal here was 188. All right. Close to that 1133. All right. Sellers are sitting here. That's a pretty big support here. Now it made its target here. Right. So first, second, third resistance up here. I would say close this trade, guys. All right. A big white candle. All right. Close the trade. It's over there. Okay. So NK TX. Close the trade, please. All right. Good trade going there. Good trade. Note is still holding, but purple support and resistance. All right. So keep an eye on that. All right. That's holding. All right. Holding. All right. OMER closed. All right, so buy signal was at 288. Red candle closed today at 367. So close the trade, please. OMER. That's holding. Holding. RIGL. Red candle. Close the trade, please. RIGL. RNA. That's holding. Good trade going there. SKIN. That's holding. STKL. That's holding. TALK. Talk. That's holding. UNIT holding. VMEO is holding. VXYX, VTYX is holding. Okay. So notice we're having fewer guys. We have fewer stocks in here. Now, let's talk about seasonality. We guys know, right? We getting towards not quite summer yet, but spring. So markets made a nice run. You know the term sell in May and go away. Now we're not in May yet, but just know that things could start slowing down a bit, right? All right, ARLO is holding in Bull Master. All right, Hood is holding. All right, holding. We'll go through this quickly. Holding. Oh, all right. CDNA. All right, resistance is right here. No, that's failing to break resistance. All right, so we'll close this. It's got a white candle, guys, but it's been rejected. All right, so here is resistance here. Look what happened when it failed before. All right, sellers came in here. Sellers came in here. Here we are here. All right, sellers could come in heavy. All right, especially we have some big down days in the market. Okay, so CDNA, close that trade, please. That's holding. Holding. Good trade going there. That's holding. STX, red candle here. Close the trade. All right. So buy signal was at 92. Close to there at 85. Close the trade, please. All right. We don't want those. We don't want that to get out of hand. All right. These trades can get out of hand really, really quick. All right. All right. These stocks have been moving, so they can drop. All right. Keep an eye on this one. QRVO for now. SPR. All right. Buy signal was here, and it's right now. Right. It. We really needed it to stay above resistance here. Not a resistance here. It's not holding. All right. So it's right here. You could get a bounce, but boy, we'll close that. SPR. Got a long way to fall. Sellers could come in, push that all the way down, okay? And unless this market, we won't add any more positions in Stock Boss and Bullmaster, unless the market really starts moving again, okay? That's holding. MRVL, Marvel, all right? Red gap down, red candle, close the trade, please. Buy signal was at 73. All right, closed yesterday at 69, close today 66. So you guys see what's happening. All right, so close the trade. That's holding, 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 uh, holding for now. All right, SNDX. All right, this is a tricky one. It's holding right at resistance here. We can't even call this support yet. Hasn't gone that far, but it's holding right at resistance. Buy signal here. I would say keep an eye on it. Okay, but that could, it's holding a lot of resistance here. All right, so um, hold it for now. All right, that's holding. We're almost done, guys. Almost done. But we want to go through these stocks. Um, Holding for now. SNBR. All right, holding SQ. Holding coin. Um, Here's our markup phase. We don't even have a markup phase anymore, do we? Do we have a markup phase? All right, let's do this here. All right, so here is resistance. All right, buy signal here. All right, we can see if we can make sense of this. This is one you could want to close, but you could get a bounce here. Purpose support and resistance. Look at all of these purpose support and resistance there. But um, hang on for now. Okay. All right. So just need buyers. All right. Breakthrough. Come through here. Okay. All right. Let's run heat seeker. And we'll be done. I think there was something else I was supposed to look at. All right, heat seeker for Bullmaster and Stock Boss. Oh, we'll start watching, paying attention, guys, to the Magnificent Seven. All right, we'll talk about this more. But the large companies, all right, the Magnificent Seven. All right, we're gonna start watching these. All right, on a weekly basis. Okay, and we'll look like Nvidia made a big run, so we're gonna start watching these. All right, see what's going on. Tesla, right? Nvidia, Meta, Amazon, Apple. All right, Google, Microsoft. We're gonna start watching those on a regular basis. Okay, on a weekly time frame, though. We might introduce the daily from time to time, but we'll keep an eye on these on the weekly time frame. All right, Tesla is looking to break support, a big support here. All right, so which is closed at 162. Sellers are coming in heavy. We actually have a sell short signal on Tesla. So um, those of you who trade options, right? You might want to look for some short puts on it. All right, trades on a lot of volume. So we do have a sell short signal right here on Tesla. All right here on Tesla. So and we'll watch these for moves down the road to go long, but um, there isn't. I don't think we have any buy signal. Right? Here is Apple. Okay, Apple has the buy signal hasn't closed yet. Okay, but these, you know, the big institutions love these stocks. Okay, Amazon has its buy signal here, a lot of resistance here. All right, but we'll watch these, guys. We'll watch these kind of like we do the when we look at the big macro for the indexes and the other markets. Stock boss, hit seeker. Let's run it. All right, so 52, right? 52 in stock boss. That's not a lot. No, it's still a good amount, but it's not a lot. 73 in Bullmaster. Okay. So our US 30 traders, what can I say? Just, unless you want to, trade on the smaller time frame, you can do that. Be careful. All right. Just be careful. With the US 30. With the NAS, there are some wider swings in the NAS and the S&P, but absolutely nothing here. Look at that, guys. All right, that's nothing going on here. All right, next week, Sunday, and we'll look for, see if we can find some opportunities in Forex. All right, based on what it's doing. Yeah, Monster Scalper. And I'm done. I just want to take a look at Monster Scalper here. All right, Monster Scalper here. All right, so you guys know we were all the way down here, right? A couple of days ago with volatility. So volatility is slowing, and we are mixed now. All right, we are mixed. All right, and the yen pairs are moving. This would be a great buy. Get a buy signal there to go long. All right, so the yen pairs might be setting up to go long. Still too early, though, to tell. All right. All right. All right, guys. Thanks for coming. All right. I'll see everyone on Sunday. Our traders roundtable will be tomorrow for just half an hour, 5 to 5:30. New traders. I'll see you guys on Saturday for our webinar. All right. All right, guys. Thanks for coming. Take care. Bye-bye.